Hello, what's up fam? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Janet Jenga or Wanjiku Jenga, and on today's video I'm going to do a small vlog. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. Guess what? Okay, there's this thing I've been wanting for a very long time. Yes, like I've been asking God for it, and finally God has answered my prayers. It might sound normal to some of you, but for me it's a blessing, and I thank God for it. It's a fridge, and it will be here in the next like 30 minutes. So I had to do this introduction video, yes, before nipigiwe simu, because I won't have that time to record and everything. Yeah, so I'm so happy, and I can't wait. Like sasa the next video itakuwa stuck in my fridge. Oh my god, I'm so happy and I'm so excited, and I thank God. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, like my videos, comment, and my God will bless you. So stay tuned as we do this. Love you guys. Oh, hi guys. Okay, after 5 hours, like yes, 5 hours for us, ndo napigiwa, ndo nimeambiwa my fridge imefika. So guys, I'm so happy and I'm so excited. So come with me guys, acha twende tuone what's popping. Tuchukue fridge. Yes, that is, yeah. Come with me my loves, my dobies. So my loves, acha ni twende, acha tufungue mlango kwanza. Loves, so my loves, acha ni twende. Yes, I've already opened the door. Yes, actually it's 7:45. It's almost Sambili. Yeah. I'm so happy. So I get an so hope it won't stop. So guys, I'm so happy. And oh, don't believe me, I'm so happy. No, it's such an fridge. Can you see me? You see kuni saa mbili, actually saa mbili naelekea. Guys, so naishi karibu na barabara. Ni hapa 27. So nimeenda hizi ofisi za delivery. Yes, sijui nimetumana na nini. Yes. So guys, let's go and find out. Can't wait. I'm so happy. Damn. Let's go. So guys, I'm so happy. Finally the fridge, the refrigerator is here. Like it's finally here. I'm so happy. I'm so excited and I thank God. Yeah, it's very nice. It's very good for a start, and I thank God for this. So guys, let's unwrap this. So guys, it's finally here. God, oh. Guys, I'm so happy and I'm so excited and I can't wait to open it. So let's find out. Now, this, like, some of you may think it's a small thing, but for me it's a big blessing, as I told you. So guys, actually unwrap. Yes, let's unwrap it. Yeah, so let's do this, guys. Guys, wanted to unwrap very fast. Yes, but the video might end after the phone maybe. I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Yeah, man. Just like maybe size yes, a little bit. Guys, see? Just see this. It looks small, but amazing. Yeah, mlango mbili. It's brand new, as you can see. God. I don't know, but nimesikia shock. Nimesikia shock, I don't know why. Am I too excited? Yes, but I'm so happy. So this is it. So guys, acha tuone venye inakaa huku ndani. Like it's an amazing man for a start. Right? Am I right? For a bachelor like me. And it has 12 freaking dolls. Oh, I'm so happy guys, and I thank God for this. It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. Like it's really a blessing. Yes. So guys, it's my size and I love God. So thank you guys for watching. So the next video we'll be doing itakuwa video ya kurestock fridge. Yes, kurestock fridge. So guys, love you so much. Yes, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, watch my videos, and my God will bless you. Yeah, so guys, acha ni figure out kwenye nitaiweka and nimalize kutwanga hizi clips. Nifanye relax kwanza before I connect it. I might connect it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Besides hata Kenya tu niko nayo ya kuweka ni kajuice kadogo na ice cubes. Sina vitu za kuweka hapa ndani for now. Hii kitu imenimalizia pesa bwana. Imenimalizia pesa but it's cool. Yes, for a start, this is a nice one. So guys, thank you for watching.